everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is probably one of my favorite no-slide trailers that Merhow makes, and actually that any manufacturer makes this layout. So this is an 8311 RWS. That's a it's a riser wall sofa. So 8311 riser wall sofa, RWS. This is a 2019 Merhow Next Generation. So it's an all real wood interior. This trailer is a one owner. It is in excellent shape, and it's got a lot of little adds that the person has done that I'm going to point out that are kind of nice. So a couple of things. I'm on the wrong side of the trailer to do my walkthrough, so I'm going to kind of scoot myself back around, and I'll come back to this side here shortly. White in color, all aluminum, 8 wide, 3 horse. It does have 2 batteries, 2 propane tanks, hydraulic jack, spare, jiffy jack, stainless nose. It does have a flip-up step at the escape door. It's got the windows with the bars that do drop down if you needed to get in and out to the horse area. It does have 2 manger boxes. I'm not going to open those while I'm trying to do this video, but there are extra hooks inside there as well, so those were added. They are definitely not standard, so added hooks to the mangers. Storage. Load light package. It's got the load lights all the way around, one on each side of the trailer and one on the rear. Aluminum wheels. Got the extruded aluminum there underneath those windows. There's no dings, bangs, scratches. There's nothing that I can really fault this trailer on this side for. Actually, I don't think on any side, but just looking at this side, it's in immaculate shape. As I said, one owner. Now, the owner did put a ramp on the back, and it has the polylast on the ramp, as well as they polylast the floor of this trailer. So this trailer does have the added polylast floor. That's a porous floor that you don't need mats, and you just hose it out. She's got an extra brush box on the door. Several extra hooks that were done after the fact. This is definitely after the fact. So multiple hooks in the rear collapsible tack, multiple brush boxes. There's 3. I've got it on the expanded so you can kind of see that. So kind of nice. You got a lot of extra storage here. Super nice ramp that was added on. Horse box is immaculate, like new. Can't even tell a horse has been in it. Excellent shape. Does have fans, fully lined and insulated, airflow dividers, padded dividers. Empty weight of this trailer is 9380. So 9380 is the empty weight, so not a very heavy trailer. She's added extra hooks here if you were wanting to tie things in your first stall. So extra hooks here on either side of the walk-through door. So no scratches, no issues in the horse box. Horse box is immaculate. It does have the mangers. These are the 24s. All right, so that's a difference. Back then, 24s were standard, not 18. So these are 24-inch mangers. So they're deeper than what you get today unless you upgrade. So that's a difference in a 2019. Stepping on around, no issues whatsoever on this side of the trailer. You'll see that load light there. Power awning. Stepping up in the in the LQ. Again, this is, like I said, super neat layout. So this is an all real wood interior. It does have a convection microwave. It does have a ducted AC with a propane furnace, soft touch walls. It does have a radio with a DVD player for the TV that's behind my head that I'll show you here in a second. Steps up to the bed. It does have cabinets all the way around the nose. That big cabinet here in the corner is deep and actually has access for a TV if you wanted to put an extra TV, although you don't need one. You can see the TV from the bed area. It's behind me. When I spin around, you'll see it's got an arm on it. You can move it. Back when these trailers first came out, probably back in this 2019 year, I had one of these. I demoed and really liked it. Stayed at the Quarter Horse Congress for a month in it. Was perfectly happy living in it for a month. Very cozy. All right, so TV here on a swing arm, and like I said, you can see that from the bed area. Couch makes a bed. It's got the flip out, flip up counter to give you extra counter space. This one does have the inlay that looks like a saddle in the valances, as well as on the back of the couch. So that's an upgraded decor for this particular trailer. It does have double stainless sinks, 2-burner gas top stove, as I said, a convection microwave. I'm going to kind of walk forward and spin around so you can see it does have a big fridge with a pantry. It does have a drawer underneath that big fridge, and it does have a cabinet above. So it gives you a lot of storage space in this trailer. I'm going to spin around, and you also have 2 drawers for storage underneath the couch. All right, so heading back to the bathroom. The bathroom is quite big. It does have a walk-in closet, which is super nice. Again, as I said, I stayed in this trailer for a month, and it was quite handy to have that large walk-in closet for jackets and whatnot. Boots, everything. Has hanging bars on top and bottom and a shelf. This is the rounded dome, or rounded, excuse me, shower. So it's a good size shower. Walk-through door. And it does have a sink and vanity. Pocket door to the bathroom and to the living quarters area. Walk-through door, I think I said behind me. So 8311 RWS. This is a like new trailer. It is used. However, the customer has taken very good care of it. Merhows do hold up really well. And that's probably my biggest statement will be on these used trailers, is they do not look used whatsoever. Great layout, great color scheme. Got a couple of the decor items in the valances, top of the couch. All right, guys, so stepping back out. Gonna recap again as I did already, but one more time. Super nice. Next generation 8311 RWS Merhow, like new, one owner. Perfect size. I believe this is a 26.6 box. Gives you a lot of storage, a big closet, 8 wide. Great layout. All right, guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We'd greatly appreciate you subscribing to our YouTube channel if you are watching this. Have a great day.